What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. And obviously, I'm very excited with what I'm seeing in the crypto market today. Not just what we're talking about here today, which is XRP, but honestly, everything that's out there because I do diversify pretty well. However, with how much XRP has grown, I'm obviously looking stronger and stronger for XRP holdings, and it's going from 20% to 25 to 30 to 35% of my portfolio as this continues to grow because everything else isn't really growing as much as what you see XRP doing today. Now, XRP finally broke over the level of $3 for the first time since 2018 at this point. It's been a very long time since we've seen it break that dollar figure. However, you were at a much lower market cap at those levels because of the fact that you had less supply. So we're going to talk about that in this video. We're going to talk about XRP and just be hype and excited about XRP overall, because this is when altcoin season happens, right? 2025, and we're ready for all altcoins to make these large moves. So if you guys could, make sure you hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, if you guys want to check out any of the links down below for Patreon, for Twitter, those links are in the description. And also, if you guys are interested in leverage trading and trading outright, or even demo trading and trying to get started with short-term trading or long-term, you can utilize BTCC, the platform that I'm partnered with, BTCC X Matthew Perry. Feel free to check out the link at the top of the description. For anybody that uses my link, you can get a 10% deposit bonus as well as $10,000 per user, or $10,055 per user of extra bonuses, right? And then you can also get 40% lower trading fees. So feel free to check out my link down below. You can do a 500x leverage, you can do a 1x leverage, you can do a 5x, 10x, whatever, right? You can do whatever leverage you want, and you can also trade outright. And you can also demo trade. If you don't really have any history of trading in the crypto market, you can learn how to do it by paper trading. Trading without your own money, it's just merely like hypothetical money. Anyways, feel free to check out that link at the top of the description. But let's talk about XRP. Now, when we look at XRP, it's at a great spot. $2.95, absolutely phenomenal. Obviously, we would love to see it at $295, but let's crawl before we walk, right? And let's walk before we run. And let's definitely run before we decide to skydive. So this is something that I'm very excited about, because you have 112% increase in volume, $18 billion worth of volume that has gone through XRP today, and seeing a almost $170 billion market cap. And earlier today, you did see a $170 plus billion market cap. For all the people that said this would not hit $100 billion, let alone $200 billion, we are inches away from getting to that $200 billion mark. We're talking about competing with the best of the best, right? We're talking about Bitcoin. We're talking about Ethereum, right? We're competing with those two. It's currently Bitcoin, Ethereum, then XRP, and it may end up changing. Just like I said, XRP, in my opinion, is going to be the #1 cryptocurrency in the world. But that's a whole nother video, a whole nother topic. If you guys want to explore that, feel free to ask me, and we can go ahead and explore exactly what that means. But again, we're seeing an 11% volume and market cap ratio, 57.5 billion coins in circulating supply, and again, $170 billion market cap. Today on CoinMarketCap, it doesn't really show that it hit a level of $3. It shows that it got to a level of $2.99, and if you scroll down here, it even says the 24-hour high is $2.96. So it's not even really displaying the fact that it got up to that $2.99 mark, according to CoinMarketCap. Now, CoinMarketCap is more of a consolidation website, I would say. I don't know what other words you use, but it's a viewing website where they grab a lot of different markets, and different markets will have different prices. Different people will display that it has a different price at those times, whether you see Coinbase at $2.95, or you go over here and you see something at $2.94, or you go over here, you might see some at $2.93. It looks like a lot of them are hovering around $2.95. I didn't even know that XRP had 807 different pairings there as well, which is, again, very interesting. But if you do scroll over to, let's say, BTCC, and you look at where the high was, it says the 24-hour high here up the top, hopefully you guys can see it, is $3.02. You can see here that it got to $3.02 right here, borderline $3.03 before decreasing a little bit and kind of making its way down, but obviously not taking a huge hit, going from $3.02 down to $2.87 and currently at $2.94-95. So XRP finally crosses the $3 for the first time since 2018. XRP has been nothing short of extraordinary over the past 3 months. Its uptrend began on the back of Donald Trump election victory last November, allowing it to soar 480% from a low of 50 cents to a 7-year peak of $2.90 on December 3rd of 2024. XRP's price finally reclaims $3 despite the bullish push. XRP faced resistance at a psychological relevant $3 price mark after conquering $1 and $2. It in one fell swoop. This roadblock led to a pullback, subsequent consolidation. However, after 6 weeks of range-bound price action, XRP has now finally captured $3. This marked the first time the crypto asset breached the $3 mark since it's relinquished since it relinquished it during the correction in early 2018. For context, XRP price witnessed an impressive rally from March 2017 to January 2018, reaching an all-time high of $3.31 before facing a massive correction to drop below $3. Since then, the asset had failed to reclaim the $3 territory despite occasional pumps in 2021. The recent feat triggered excitement within the XRP community, with a prominent Fox Business reporter calling attention to it in an ex-post minutes ago. So seeing XRP at this massive level, seeing XRP at a level of $3, phenomenal, right? Did I do anything with it? No, I didn't do anything with it. That's not my price target. I believe it's got so much left in the tank and so much going for it and so many things that are going to happen that it makes no sense to make those moves. However, if you are a short-term investor, it doesn't hurt me at all. If you decide to take profit as time goes on, that's totally on you. I'm in it for the long term, and I'm in it for what XRP can be and what Ripple can be and what cryptocurrency will be. That's what I'm in it for, and that's why I tend to stick with it, and I'm not selling the amounts that I do have here. So anyways, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Let me know what you think about XRP hitting this $3 level. $3, now we're on to $4 and on to $5, and we're ready to hit certain price targets for people to take profit, as well as different things that are going to happen when it comes to use case and it's surrounding the community and it comes to government and all of that stuff. I'm excited. Very, very excited, as you can tell. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon, those links are in the description, as well as my link for BTCC. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.